Let me tell you what I really want. I just want this your bum. Like the way you take it down. Control for me. Baby girl, just roll for me. Want you girl to move for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Take over Manu. If this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Welcome to the family. If you're coming back again, clicking again to watch my videos, thank you for supporting me. I'm going to be talking about this beautiful hair that you can see me. You can see how luscious this hair looks. This is so beautiful right here. This is a 26K. So Ornate Hair sent me 3 bundles of hair and a 4x4 closure. I got it right this time. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my previous video. Okay, Ornate Hair sent me this 4x4 closure with 3 bundles of hair, so 26, 24 and 22 inches. That's what I have here. So I turned the hair into a wig just so it's easy to install and all that. I didn't want to be stressing trying to install the whole hair on my head, so that's what I did. If you guys want to see how I made this hair into a wig, then click the link in my description box to see how I turned it into this beautiful wig. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's just talk about how beautiful this hair is. It's very soft, very soft. No shedding. You see, I've literally been running my hands through the whole time and no shedding, like absolutely nothing on my hands. It's not shedding, so it's really pretty. I like the color. It comes like this, so you can literally just order this color like this. You don't have to color it yourself. I literally just ordered this off their website like this. So yeah, let me show you guys how I installed this beautiful hair. I'm gonna attach a link to their website so you can easily order this hair. I definitely recommend it. It's soft, the curls are beautiful, like bouncy, really nice curls. I like them. I'm gonna recommend you guys to definitely order this hair. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how I installed the hair. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the magic that I did on this wig? Like, look how good this wig looks. It looks like I actually bought the hair like this, but nope, I made this wig all by myself. Just gonna start by cutting out this lace right here. So I've cut out the lace and you can see this is so beautifully made. Now I'm just gonna install it onto my hair. Okay guys, so first of all, just because of how tight and well made this wig is, kudos to myself, just because of how well made this wig is, it's already really tight. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it doesn't even need any glue or anything like that. But I'm still going to, glue the hair because I need that extra security here for myself. Guys, so this is what the hair looks like. You can see that the curls are so beautiful. Like, can you look at these curls? These curls are so beautiful. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my makeup and come back. Okay, so this is what the hair finally looks like. So this is what it looks like. The hair looks so pretty. I really like how the hair looks. I can literally just run my hands through the curls. It's so soft. Like, look at this. This is so beautiful, right? If you like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hair videos, if you want to see how I made this hair into a wig, I have a video and I'm gonna link it in the description box, so you can just click the link in the description box. Yeah, that's everything. I really like this hair, guys. This color looks amazing on me. I like it. I've never had this color of hair before, so this looks really good. really, really pretty. Yeah, that's everything. That's the end of this video. Thank you, Ornate Hair, for this beautiful kinky curly hair. Like I said, guys, this is 26 inches right here, guys. 26 inches, right? This is 26 inches. It's really soft. I can run my hands through. This is what it looks like. This is the final look. The hair is so pretty. I really love the hair. I would definitely recommend you guys to go purchase this hair. I'm gonna leave a link to Ornate's hair website in the description box so you guys can easily purchase this. This is so pretty.
Baby, kilo should have gone. Let me see what I really want. Baby, kilo should have gone. Let me tell you what I really want. I just want this your bomb. Like the way you take it down. Control for me. Baby girl, just roll for me.